Okay, so we can start today's session, and so today we are going to discuss about some plans, okay, for next month. Okay, so I hope you all have uh, saw the syllabus, right? So in the syllabus, you can see we have a warming up sessions, which is basically discussing the prerequisites for robotics and ROS. Okay, so the problem is when you start with ROS, you will find robotics terminologies. Okay, for example, inverse kinematics, forward kinematics, okay, and motion planning, all those stuff. Okay, so so at that time, uh, yeah, um, yeah, I think can you hear me, Rohan? Okay, okay. Yes. I can just continue. So at that time, I mean, you will struggle to understand these things. Okay. Basically, like when you're working with rows, we are basically working with robots, right? So it will be better if you have a good understanding of robotics concepts. Okay, but most of the concepts, if you are, I mean, planning to discuss about robotics alone, it will take a lot of time. Okay, it will take a lot of time, but at the same time we also need to know it. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult to understand. Okay, while working with rows. Okay, so our session, the first session was introduction to robotics and robot programming. Okay, so I was just going through very basic of robotics and robot. Okay, and robot programming. Okay, so what I'm planning is that I didn't mention a chapter, or I didn't include a chapter with more robotic stuff because it will take more time. So what I'm planning is I'm planning to assign some reading assignments, and also like some some assignments that you can do by after reading it. Okay, so that is the plan for next month. So what I'm planning is diving into robotics concepts, and then diving into programming concepts like C++ and Python. I'm not sure how many of you are like well versed with robotics concepts and programming concept. I mean, most of you are not very well versed with these concepts. So if you are like doing a ROS course from online or something, you will have difficulty in understanding. Okay, so in order to solve that, I'm planning to introduce our assignment series. Okay, so our teaching assistant Rajesh and Jarin will guide you. Okay, so I can introduce what we are planning. So let me show you one thing. So this is one assignment that we have. I mean, simple assignments, not very complicated for this week. Okay, so this week means we will be I mean, we will be sharing the assignments and lectures this week. You can try to watch the lectures and answer these questions by next week. Okay, you can try. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so Rajesh and Jarin and me have prepared these questions. So initially we will be starting with very basics of robotics, and you have to like, it will be better to go through this. Okay, so you will get an understanding. So I have mentioned some references, recorded videos that you can watch. Okay, I have actually completed this course, I think 3 years before or something. This is actually very good course from a professor called Peter Koch. Okay, he's an author of a book as well. So I have shared that book as well in this drive. I can show you that. So I'm mentioning two books. Uh, Sorry, just a second. So one is the Handbook of Robotics, which is this. Okay, and then the second one is the Robotics Vision and Control. Okay, so this book you can download. Okay, so this book actually authored by this professor. Okay, so I'm giving these lectures to you I mean, it will not take much time to watch. Okay, these are very basics of robotics. Okay, and we are trying to use the lectures from Peter Koch for understanding other stuff like 3D. Maybe I can show you that 2D geometry, 3D geometry, then path and trajectory. So we are actually planning that. So these lectures are very informative, and like he's actually taking the lectures in a very very easily. I mean, he's not using tight terminologies and all. So I think this will be useful. So first week I am planning to assign you with the lectures from the introduction to robotics. Okay, then I would like to give you this chapter from Handbook of Robotics and the Handbook. You can just go with the brief history of robotics and the robotics community. So this will give you an overview, like if you are planning to pursue your career in robotics and ROS. I think it is not limited to ROS. Okay, so you can just have a look. Okay, even if you are not able to read completely, but just have a look. Okay, onto this chapter. So this chapter, I mean the first chapter from the book Handbook of Robotics, then this series 9, it is not like lengthy. You can find like it is only having like 10 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay, so you can just watch this and then you can answer this. Okay, so some are multiple choice and some are like you have to write it. You have to like, there are some interesting problems that you can solve. So next week we will be coming up with a set of lectures, videos with some assignments as well. So let's see how this process goes, and in the meantime you will be having questions. Okay, so I will prefer you to either share in RDPL2 channel. Okay, or maybe I can share a channel dedicated for discussions. Okay, so you can simply answer that, and mostly Rajesh and Jerin will try to answer. Okay, I will be also there. Okay, so I will create a discussion channel. So when you when you start watching these videos and all, and if you have any doubts, you can put it in that channel. Okay, so that we can discuss and try to solve the doubts. Okay, so this is a plan. Okay, so I will be sharing the Google form link. Okay, so that you can start working on it. Okay, so this is the Google form, just sharing, and in the Google form I think everything is mentioned, the course videos, then the books, okay, and the questions. Okay, so let's see how it goes, and we have to cover a lot of concepts in robotics. Okay, mainly like kinematics, dynamics, then motion planning, all those stuff. Okay, so it will take some time, so I'm just I mean going through these videos and like videos and these assignments, because I'm planning to share this because while working with ROS it will be helpful. Okay, yes. Okay, so that's it guys. I think if you have any questions, you can ask now. Okay, on next week Rajesh or Jerin will be sharing the next Google form, so that you can just proceed and you can ask the questions in the discussion channel. So I will be creating that discussion channel today. Okay.
So the course that you shared, the Introduction to Robotics one,
Yeah.
Is the test based on all the 9 lessons that you have shown?
No.
The coming soon, why do we need robots, summary of robots, and why do we need them, till that, or just introduction?
Yeah, this is actually the introduction. Maybe just a
Like the 9 lessons.
yeah, this is just an introduction. So in order to access this course, it will be better to log into the Robot Academy. Okay, Robot Academy. So it's just free. It's free actually. This course actually given by a university called QUT, Queensland University of Technology from Australia. So Peter Koch is a professor in QUT. Okay, so they offer this course for free. Okay, and Peter Koch is very, very experienced in robotics, and I have personally met him during ICRA. So he's a very good person, and he also shared the Robot Academy flyers to me because he just want to reach robotics to many people. So I think we can use these free lectures, and I have checked some other things, some other course like modern robotics, but for getting initial idea about robotics, I think we can use this, and we will be sharing other lectures from modern robotics and NPTEL, but NPTEL seems like it's pretty boring, I will say, but this will be interesting, I guess. I have done this course before, so let's see how it goes. Yeah, and let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So all your doubt can be clarified through the discussion channel. So I will be creating that today. Maybe I can do it now itself. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, let me add one by one. See you on next class. Okay, so next class will not be like on the next week. It will be like you will get assignment, and whenever you finish with almost all the concept, then I will start lecturing. Okay.
So we don't have a class tomorrow, sir.
No. You can start watching the video and assignments. Okay. So after understanding the concepts of robotics and programming basics, then I will start with the next module that we have, which is, oh, I missed it, just a second, which is the embedded, I guess. Let me take the syllabus again. Okay, so in the warming up session, we will have the basics of electronics and embedded systems. So after the robotics concepts and programming concept basics, then we will jump into some electronic stuff. So that is essential to build a robot prototype for sure. So I'm sure that you are from different backgrounds. So some of you have computer science background, some of you have mechanical background, some of you have electronics. Okay, but everyone should be in the same page, then only we can work with robot. Okay, you should have some understanding of electronics and embedded system to start with robotics, or to start creating robots. Okay, you can simply get it. I mean, when you see some projects, for example, maybe I can show you the Jerin project that I think you have already seen that project. GitHub Jerin beta. So with Jerin, you can find this project, right? Four-wheeled robot. So you can see what are the things that we need. We need, I mean, some sensors, computer. There are some electronic circuits. So you need to know how these things work, right? If you are from pure software background, then you can't build a robot like this. Okay, so Jerin is like a full stack guy, like he knows electronics and programming, so that's why he could able to make these kind of circuits and able to work with or able to prototype this kind of robots. Okay, so that's what I am trying to do, like to give an exposure to all the basic stuff we need. Okay, I hope that will work. Okay, if you have any concern, you can get back to me. Okay. So this will be a refreshing session for you if you already know with electronics and all. Okay, I will be discussing the essential concept only. Okay, that we require to work with robots. Okay. Okay then, guys, we can conclude today's session. So please work on the assignments and reading and watching assignments. Okay. Yes. Okay then. Good night. See you on the next lecture. I will announce when we start the next lecture. Okay.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, everyone.